German Shepherds, a guide to teaching advanced commands and tricks. German Shepherds are one of the most popular dog breeds worldwide. Known for their intelligence, loyalty, and versatility, these dogs are highly trainable and excel in various tasks. Whether you are an experienced dog owner or a first-time Shepherd owner, teaching your German Shepherd advanced commands and tricks can be both fun and rewarding. In this guide, we will explore the process of teaching advanced commands and tricks to German Shepherds and provide you with some useful tips. Training German Shepherds requires patience, consistency, and positive reinforcement. Before moving on to advanced commands and tricks, it is essential to ensure that your dog has a solid foundation in basic obedience training. Commands such as sit, stay, lie down, and come should be well understood and obeyed by your German Shepherd. Once you have established a strong foundation, you can gradually introduce more advanced commands and tricks. One of the first advanced commands you can teach your German Shepherd is heel. Heeling is an important command that teaches your dog to walk calmly by your side without pulling on the leash. Start by holding the leash in your left hand and holding a treat in your right hand, close to your left leg. Begin walking, and when your dog is by your side, give the command heel and reward him with the treat. Gradually increase the duration of heeling and reinforce the command consistently. Another useful advanced command is leave it. This command is crucial for teaching your German Shepherd to ignore objects or food that may be harmful to them. Begin by placing a treat on the ground and covering it with your hand. When your dog tries to reach for it, say leave it firmly and wait until he stops trying to get the treat. As soon as he does, reward him with a different treat from your other hand. With practice, your German Shepherd will learn to obey the leave it command in various situations. Teaching tricks to German Shepherds can be a stimulating and enjoyable experience for both you and your dog. One popular trick is play dead. Start by giving the command down. Once your dog is in the down position, gently roll him onto his side while saying play dead. Reward him with treats and praise. With practice, your German Shepherd will learn to stay in the play dead position until you give him the release command. Speak and quiet are two tricks that can be taught together. To teach your German Shepherd to speak, wait for him to bark naturally, then say speak and reward him. Repeat this process several times until he associates the command with barking. Once he understands the command, you can introduce the quiet command. Wait for him to bark, say quiet in a calm voice, and reward him when he stops barking. Practice these commands regularly to maintain the desired behavior. Remember to always use positive reinforcement during training sessions. German Shepherds are highly intelligent and eager to please their owners, so praising and rewarding their efforts will motivate them to learn and perform better. Consistency is key, and short, frequent training sessions are more effective than longer, sporadic ones. In addition to obedience training, it is essential to provide mental and physical stimulation for your German Shepherd. These dogs have a high level of energy and require regular exercise and interactive play. Engage them in activities such as fetch, agility training, or puzzle toys to keep them mentally stimulated and prevent boredom. In conclusion, German Shepherds are not only beautiful and loyal companions, but also highly trainable dogs. Teaching them advanced commands and tricks can be a fun and fulfilling experience that strengthens the bond between you and your pet. Remember to start with a solid foundation of basic obedience training, use positive reinforcement, and be consistent in your approach. With time, patience, and dedication, your German Shepherd will become a well-trained and impressive dog.